How to make money reselling tickets on Ticketmaster. I'm going to tell you how to make money reselling tickets on Ticketmaster. First up, only list tickets that are eligible for resale. Check if the sell button appears in your My Ticket section. If it's grayed out, resale isn't allowed for that event. Pricing is critical. Research comparable listings, consider market demand, and set your price so you still profit after fees. Ticketmaster takes around 10 to 15% in seller fees, and buyers pay added fees too. Sell smart, list early, about 8 to 12 weeks before big events, and adjust prices later for last minute demand spikes. Promote your listing via social media or fan forums to drive more visibility. Once sold, Ticketmaster pays out numbers within about 5 to 7 business days after the event directly to your bank or debit card.